f of x equals to 4x square positive 64x positive 262. The function g is defined by g of x equals to f of x positive 5. For what value of x does g of x reach its minimum? Okay, so to get the value of x at where g of x reaches its minimum, let's get the function g of x completely. For that, we have to find the stuff that is equivalent to f of x positive 5. Okay, let me take this equation as it is. That is g of x equals to f of x positive 5. And to get the stuff that is equivalent to this one, we have to consider the function f of x given over here. And this is the stuff we have for f of x. Now to get the stuff for f of x positive 5, we have to plug in this x positive 5 for each x over here on the right side of the function f of x. Let me do it. Then we have 4 times x positive 5 the whole square, positive 64 times x positive 5, positive 262. I plugged in this x positive 5 for each x on the right side of the given function f of x. Now we can take this function g of x as input in Desmos and get the value of x for which the function g of x reaches its minimum value. Okay, now let me take this function g of x in Desmos. So that is g of x equals to 4 times x positive 5 the whole square positive 64 times x positive 5 positive 262. Here I got the graph of the function g of x. Actually, it is a parabola. We have the minimum point over here, that is a negative 13, 6. Let's consider the x coordinate at the minimum point, that is a negative 13. So negative 13 is the value of x for which the function g of x reaches its minimum. We find negative 13 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.